I'm that nigga from Trabass TV.
Who is it?
I mean, I saw you tell me something, come over here.
Oh, sorry.
No, a raccoon them out of the room. See juice or you tell me something.
Bear punch, chopstick.
Me did thirsty, sorry. Throw the jar.
Come on, take off your shoes.
Come on, tell man take off shoes.
Yeah, carry them. Come on. What you were saying? Where you was at? Sit down.
Down the road.
What took you so long?
Is I am take it.
Just come. If you deal with the space there, put on your shoes.
You forgot to clean up or something?
No, we didn't clean up still, but I have things to do. Everything. Alright.
Run up for me. Huh?
Put your shoes on, you're not staying.
Yeah, me I stay. I'm just going well. Can I get something to drink, please?
What?
Water.
Ice?
No.
No ice.
You know, a clean cup.
Of course. You park close to the house?
Huh?
You park close to the house?
Yeah, I'm park right in front of the house, man.
Yeah.
Huh?
Anyway, I was saying, I'm there cleaning the house from morning, and you say you coming and you took forever to come.
To me that do little something, man. Huh? Oh, what?
No, infestation, I think,
What?
fly just go it. But yeah. You afraid?
No.
Okay. You were saying all that shit in the text, so come.
Which text?
What you mean what text?
What me did say again?
How you was gonna fuck me and all them things.
Oh, that.
So come.
Huh?
Where you going, sir?
Wait, let me go pee-pee. I want pee-pee first.
Alright.
Yeah, me so come. Set up
You know where you going?
Huh?
You know which part
Yeah,
you
man.
going?
The bathroom right this side, that's all. Ready, bomba.
How are there? How send you? Run. Run, dog, run, stay, run. Please, man, make you run. Go on. Run, Mr. Big One.
You ready? Yes? No? Maybe? Later?
One man in that bathroom.
Don't worry about that. Come get this.
Alright, what you want? Shape, line up. In? Bally? Alright.
Come out of the car now.
Alright, look, see them hand up. Alright, me a come out. We a come.
You little freak. Come out of the car.